Here is a list of tools you may need to replace the alternator in your 2018 Dodge ProMaster. Socket set. A set of sockets in various sizes will be needed to remove the bolts holding the alternator in place. Ratchet. A ratchet is used to turn the sockets and loosen or tighten the bolts. Wrench. A wrench may also be needed to remove the belts that connect to the alternator. Pliers. Pliers can be used to manipulate the tensioner to remove the belts. Voltage meter. A voltage meter is a handy tool for testing the alternator and the battery to ensure that the electrical system is working properly. Jack and jack stands. A jack and jack stands may be needed to raise the vehicle to gain access to the alternator. Shop manual. A shop manual or repair guide specific to your 2018 Dodge ProMaster may also be helpful for reference during the replacement process. Note: the exact tools you may need to replace the alternator in your 2018 Dodge ProMaster may vary depending on the specific engine and model, so it's best to consult your owner's manual or a repair manual for a more comprehensive list of tools required. Additionally, if you are not familiar with the process of replacing an alternator, it is recommended to seek assistance from a professional mechanic.